So as you can see, I'm on the move now. Basically this was the last day yesterday or today that I was in Tokyo. So I had to clean my room, pack all the bags and check out. And I checked out basically the same way I checked in. I left the key inside that little locker and went away. And then dude, metro, I had to go to Tokyo station. Metro was a breeze, dude. After a week in Tokyo, you know, metro becomes so easy for you. Just go inside metro and you can figure out where you are, where you need to go, which line to take. It's easy. So I came to Tokyo station and then I took a bullet train. Yeah, those fast trains. So now I'm in, like two and a half hours later, I'm in Kyoto, another city in Japan. I'm trying to find my Airbnb, which shouldn't be that far away. It should be like close here. So yeah, by the way, bullet trains are freaking awesome. You know, when you're like on a normal train, you look out the window and it's like hypnotizing. This is the same thing, but on steroids. You're going so fast and it's yeah, it's awesome. Also, in Sweden, you cannot eat on trains unless it's a cafeteria inside the train. But here in Japan, you actually eat bentos on the train. So I did that. That was really tasty, and it was yeah, it was yummy. Okay, so I just crossed little river, and soon I will be crossing big street. And after that, there's my Airbnb. Today was awesome. Whew. Dude, and it's hot here. It's so freaking hot. Alright, so I found my Airbnb and it looks cool. Okay, it looks like this. Like nothing special here, but come on inside. There are these notes like everywhere. So funny. It's cool. Like even in the toilet. Do not turn off the light. Do not let other than paper on the toilet. And it's like handwritten, like everything. So this is the room that I'm gonna be resting at, and it looks like bar, made a comic shop, made a bed place. There's like 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bed. So if I'm like 10 meters long, I could fit in here. And the fridge is actually full. If you want to, you can actually cook here as well. Sake. There's a lot of sake here, man. What the fuck?